Hi, welcome to Bhavana Digital Academy. In this video, we will discuss about hot selling courses available in the industry. My name is Hemachandra Venkatakumar. I am PMP certified and social media marketer. Now in this video, we will discuss about hot selling courses. Due to Corona effect, the learning concept has been changed completely from face-to-face learning or classroom learning to online learning, which is also called e-learning. So as per the industry, there are so many online courses available, but hot selling courses are certified content writing professional and certified digital marketing and digital coaching business, affiliate marketing, online freelancing and web designing. These are the hot selling courses. From Bhavana Digital Academy, we are offering these 6 bundle courses and we'll see what we'll teach in these courses. If we see what are the opportunities available when we learn these courses. For example, if you go to the Internshala website, there are opportunities available for digital marketing as you are seeing on the screen, social media marketing, digital marketing, web development, content writing. There are so many opportunities, projects available online. By learning these skills, you can apply for these projects, and once you impress the advertiser, then you can get the project. So this is one example where you can show your skills and get the projects. So there are so many opportunities available. When you go through our course, we will give not only these, we will show not only these opportunities, there are various opportunities available. That also we will tell you. If you see, even I personally have applied for content marketing project and project management. See, these two I have applied and it is in review. You can see, and this is content writing internship. You can see this in touch. That means they have shortlisted me and they are reviewing my proposal. Once it is acceptable to them, then they can award me this project. So now we will see we are going to teach in these courses. If you see digital coaching business, this is our website. In courses page, if you will find these courses, and if you click on the each course image, you will go to the course details page. So this is a bundle course where we will be teaching 6 courses in this bundle. One is hot selling course niche blueprints. That means which are the courses are hot selling in the market. Second, lesson plan creation blueprint. Third, content digitization mastery. Fourth, building online course portal. 5, setting up your course portal on third-party LMS. And 6th, virtual classroom mastery. Apart from this, we will also teach you how to conduct webinar to get the audience. And also, we will give 2 bonus courses. One is Facebook lead generation mastery and second one is YouTube traffic mastery. Apart from this, we will conduct live sessions online so that if you have any doubts, you can clarify then and there. Now if you see the other course, content writing professional course. In this course, we will teach you language skills for content writers, copywriting mastery, technical writing simplified, academic writing success, business writing explained. These are the 5 courses we are going to teach in this content writing professional course. And bonus courses are internet tools for writers, design, development and host your own blog. Apart from this, we are also going to teach you SEO content writing revealed book publishing blueprint. And you will be also getting once in a month this online live session. And we will also give you mock projects with the certification. And if you take a 12 months access course, we will be hand holding you for 12 months and will support you for the projects whatever you get. And if you see affiliate marketing business, we are going to teach you affiliate income blueprint. list building secrets, email marketing formula, and a bonus course of Facebook lead generation mastery. Additional courses like webinar sales mastery and monthly ones online session. And additionally, we will also give you ready-made lead generation system. Like this, we have designed these courses which will help you to learn the skill and also to apply these skills to get projects online. If you take online freelancing blueprint course, in that we are going to teach you how to set up freelancing account, how to write an impressive profile, how to analyze and identify the right clients, how to choose suitable projects, how to write a winning proposal, how to use milestones, hourly trackers, how to set up PayPal account, how to withdraw payments to bank account. And bonus course is list of top 58 genuine freelancing websites along with the crisp specifications for each website and monthly webinars. Apart from this, a bonus course of 3 original winning proposals which fetched us projects worth over $25,000. So these projects, if you go through it, you will understand what you can do and what you can earn. And similarly, if you see the course like web design business, we are going to teach you blog creation blueprint, business web design revealed, e-commerce website simplified. Apart from this, bonus course of email marketing formula and 2 additional courses, webinar sales mastery, Facebook lead generation mastery, and live online classes also will be arranged. And finally, in certified digital marketing expert course, we are going to teach you blog creation blueprint, business web design revealed, search engine marketing revealed, Google Ads search advertising, Google Ads display advertising, Google Ads video advertising, Google Ads mobile advertising, Google Ads shopping advertising, Facebook lead generation mastery, YouTube traffic mastery, list building secrets, email marketing formula, and bonus courses like search engine optimization, Google Analytics explained. Apart from this, we are also going to teach you additional courses like mobile app creation, LinkedIn marketing, Twitter advertising, Pinterest ads, Quora ads, and you will get 100 practice tests so that you will get the certification. And as usual, online classes. So with this course modules, you can understand that these courses are designed such that by learning these skills, you can apply online immediately and you can earn regular income. So as a new year, I am going to offer you a special deal. Each course is 8,999 for 6 months access and 12,999 for 12 months access. But New Year offer, we are offering these courses at the price of single course. That means if you pay 8,999, you will get 6 months access for all these 6 courses. And if you pay 12,999, you will get 12 months access to all these 6 courses. It's amazing, right? If I were you in your place, I'll grab it immediately, because this type of offer you will never get. So you invest in yourself in the new year and learn these skills which are required to generate income. These courses can be learned by sitting in your home or wherever you are, and you can apply these skills online, sitting in your home or wherever you are, and generate income. So This is the offer. If you click this image, you will lead to payment gateway and you can pay for these courses and get the access for all the 6 courses. So I wish you, all of you, a happy new year and a prosperous new year. I wish you all a happy and prosperous new year. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video.